Hello students, welcome to Learn with RP Sir Mtech JU. My name is Rahul Paul. I am a faculty in the field of mathematics and quantitative aptitude. So this video is based on chapter number 8, Trigonometry of your class 10th CBSE mathematics curriculum, and we are going to discuss exercise 8.1, question number 1 and question number 2. This video we will have two questions. Again, in the following videos we will simultaneously do all the questions based on the different applications and exercises in your textbook, that is NCERT book. So please watch the video till the end so that you know how to do exactly the questions in a proper step-by-step process. And if you watch this particular approach, I can promise you, you don't need any other kind of approach. You can just simply do this, understand this, and this will help you to get through all the questions that is based on this chapter and also different other chapters, which I'm going to do simultaneously. So let us start with the first one. Our first question, question number 1, exercise 8.1. So in triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is equals 24, BC equals 7, determine sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. Now, ABC is a right angle triangle and B is 90 degree, as you can see here. B here is 90 degree, so this is 90 degree, and we have AB 24 centimeter. This is AB, which is 24 centimeter, and this is BC, which is 7 centimeter. Right now we have to find out what is sin A, cos A, sin C, and cos C. Now, as you know, if you have gone through introduction to trigonometry, which was my previous video, the first video on trigonometry, so in that particular video I have demonstrated the different trigonometric functions, that is sine, cos, tan, then cosec, sec and cot, and what are the different values of this particular thing. So if you have gone through this, you know that sine theta will be equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So now, as you can see here, this triangle has a perpendicular and has a base, but it doesn't have a hypotenuse. So we have to first of all find that. So what we are going to do, we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, what we can say, AB square plus BC square will give you AC square. So just putting the values, AB square, that is 24 square, plus BC square, that is 7 square, will give you the AC square, which we need to find out. So let us check what is 24 square and 7 square. So 24 square, that is 24 multiplied by 24. See, I am not skipping any step, I am just telling you exactly how you will do. So 4 into 4 goes 16, carry is 1, 4 into 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9, and again will 2, 4 into 2 is 8, and this is 4. So this is 6, 9 and 8, that is 17, carry 1, that is 5. So 576, that is for 24 square. So we are writing 576 here, plus 7 square, that is 49, that will be equals to AC square. So let us find out what is the value of 576 plus 49. Now we are going to add 49 to that. So 576 plus 49, so 9 and 6, 15, carry 1, so that will be 2, and that will be 6, 625, that will be the value of AC square. So 625, that is the value of AC square. Right now let us get to the value of AC. So we know to find out AC, we need to square root 625. So if you square root 625, what we get? We get 25, because 25 square is 625. So 25 centimeter That is the value of AC. Okay, I'm just writing 25 centimeter here. So that is the first half of this particular question. You need to find out what is the value of the hypotenuse. Now we are to find out the values of sin A, cos A, sin C and cos C. Now sin A, whenever I say sin theta, in that particular video also in introduction to trigonometry I have said that whatever is the theta, based on that we will calculate the base, the perpendicular. Hypotenuse always remains the same. Okay. Now sin A, that means our theta will be first of all on A. This will be the first theta for sin A as well as cos A. Whenever we are going for sin C and cos C, our theta now shifts to here. Okay. So sin A, first of all sin A. So what is sin A? So we know sin theta will be equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sin theta will be perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now since this is A, so if this is the theta, this will be the base because the theta is resting on the base, and this will be the perpendicular with respect to A. Okay, you have to understand which one is the base, which one is the perpendicular. So if this is A, I mean this is the theta, so this is the perpendicular. So perpendicular here is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So BC by AC, so it will be BC by AC. So BC by AC, what is BC? BC is 7. What is AC? AC is 25. So that is the value of sin A. Let us quickly go and find out what is cos A. So cos A, the same thing. So cos A means we are talking about the base by hypotenuse. Sorry, base by hypotenuse. So base by hypotenuse, cos A will be what is base? Base will be AB, that is AB, and hypotenuse will be AC. No changes at all. So what we have, AB is 24, AB is 24 and AC is 25. AB is 24, AC is 25. This is the value of cos A. Okay, let us go for sin C and cos C. Now this is the new theta here. Okay, so if this is the new theta, C is the new theta, then what happens? Now this is the new base, right? This is the new base, this is the new perpendicular, and this is as usual the hypotenuse. So for sin C, if you are operating sin C, we are operating sin C, so sin C will go like so this is the base and this is perpendicular. So perpendicular will be AB and hypotenuse will be AC. So perpendicular will be AB, hypotenuse will be AC. So AB shall be 24 and AC shall be 25. 24, AC shall be 25. And cos C, the next one, that will be equals to the base by hypotenuse. Now C, we have taken this one, so base should be BC and hypotenuse will be AC. So BC by AC. So BC will be, so what is BC? BC is 7 and AC is 25. Right? So this is cos C, and that is the end of the first question, where we have found out the values for sin A, which is 7 by 25, cos A, which is 24 by 25, sin C, which is again 24 by 25, and cos C, which is 7 by 25. Now let us go to the next question, the question number 2 of exercise 8.1. Next question, question number 2, exercise 8.1. Now in this particular question, you are again given a triangle, a right angled triangle, where you have the measurement of PQ equals 12 and PR equals 13 centimeters, and the right angle is again on Q. So Q is again the right angle. Now you have to find out the value of tan P minus cot R. Now again, whenever you are getting questions on trigonometry with a triangle given, and if one of the sides of the triangle is not given, I will first of all tell you to find out that side, and after that you can proceed with the next. So we need to find out the value of QR. Again, we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem says PQ square plus QR square will give you PR square. PQ square plus QR square will give you PR square. Now, what is PQ? 12. So 12 square. What is QR? I don't know. I need to find out. So QR square. What is PR? PR is 13 square. So we have QR square will be equals to 13 square, which is 169, minus 12 square, which is 144, and that will give us 25. So we need to find QR. QR will be the square root of 25. Square root of 25 will give us 5. Okay. Now square root of 25 is 5, and we have got QR as 5 centimeter. That is the new value of QR. Now we have PQ, QR, PR. These three sides have already been given to us. Now we need to find out the value of tan P minus cot R. Now what is tan P? So tan P means we are targeting the angle on P. If we are targeting the angle on P, then tan P will be perpendicular by base. So perpendicular will be here QR. As I've said, if this is the theta, perpendicular will be this one, and base will be this one. So QR by PQ. So tan P will be equals to QR divided by PQ. Tan P will be QR by PQ. What is QR? QR is 5. PQ is 12. And cot R. Now what is cot R? Cot is the reverse of tan. So if tan is perpendicular by base, cot will be base by perpendicular. So if tan is perpendicular by base, cot is base by perpendicular. So if cot R, if this is the new target, so base by perpendicular, if this is R, this is the theta, so base will be QR and perpendicular will be PQ. So cot R will be QR by PQ. Cot R will be QR by PQ. QR will be equals 5. PQ will be equals 12. QR will be equals 5. PQ will be equals 12. So as you can see here, tan P and cot R both are having the same value, isn't it? Tan P was perpendicular by base, which was QR by PQ, 5 by 12, and cot R was base by perpendicular, which was QR by PQ, again 5 by 12. So if you have to subtract both of them, so tan P minus cot R will be, so tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R will be equals to 0. Yes. Why? Because both have the same value. So 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 is 0. So that is the answer of your second question. So I hope these two questions are clear to you, how we have gone through these two questions. And as I have told you, I promised to, I have step by step told you every single step how we have gone through these particular questions, and in the upcoming videos also we are going to talk step by step on every particular question. So don't miss out on the next videos, and if you have to follow up with the next videos, there is only one option, that is you have to come to my channel and go through this. And for this you need to subscribe it, because otherwise you won't be getting any notifications of my new videos that I will be uploading. So please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and there will be a option saying all. You have to click on all so that you can get all the notifications that I will be giving afterwards. So I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.